Let me show you how to remove this sound from a video in CapCut. You can remove people talking in the background or music or any other audio in a video. Now open up the CapCut app on your iPhone, Android, or computer, works the exact same. Let's hit new video and bring in this video. Now let's say I didn't want the sound on this video. I can do it two different ways. The first way is I'm going to tap on the clip here. You can see if I swipe over, here's my main clip that I wanted to remove the sound. I'm going to tap on it so it's highlighted in white. Now you'll be able to see towards the bottom left, I can tap on volume here and I can bring this volume all the way down to 0. Essentially what this does is the audio track is still on that video, it's just muted. However, let's say you don't want that audio track at all. You can completely extract the audio and delete it so that when you export it, there's no audio on there at all. To be able to do that, again, you need to tap on this video until it's highlighted in white. And at the very bottom, let's scroll over until you find the option that says extract audio. Tap on that. Now here you can see is all of the audio associated with that video clip. I can delete it out just by tapping on it so it's highlighted and then tapping on delete. Now, no matter what, if I hit play or if I hit export, it won't include that audio anymore.